Hi everyone, my name is Robert Erskine from Copperfox, and today I want to talk to you about business performance dashboards that can help business owners and managers alike to better understand what's going on in their business. The question has to be asked on whether you are currently challenged with getting useful and relevant insight and information about how your business is performing. If you are struggling in that case, then this presentation is relevant to you. So the problem for SME businesses, many of the entry-level accounting packages struggle to provide a detailed, inexpensive and flexible view of how your business is performing. Imagine being able to look at your organization's performance in a number of different ways. For example, by geography, division, product, customer, project, even sales team performances. Most of the top tier ERP systems can provide this. However, for SME businesses, this really isn't an option because they're expensive systems and they're designed for large corporates. So the solution for SMEs is a data-driven analysis tool using Power BI, which connects with any ERP and accounting system. It's cost-effective and affordable, and it can be developed specifically for individual clients' needs, and we have that template available and designed by the Copperfox team. What are the benefits that this system offers? Well, it's a low-cost investment delivering a really high-quality analysis tool. As mentioned earlier, it provides the ability to look at your business across multiple dimensions: geography, division, product, customer, project, sales team, for example. It's easy to maintain and can be updated within your own team over time once it's been set up. It's got extensive tables, graphs, and reports to use and to modify, and they all drill down to transaction data. It can highlight trends, exceptions, and variances against budget. You can include budgets in there, which will help you, hopefully, with future decision making. One big area is that it provides your team with a single version of the truth where everyone and everything is assessed on. Sometimes that is a challenge for organizations where you're getting reports from different systems or different individuals that tell a different story. This eliminates that problem. Finally, and almost most importantly, is that it's customizable to your specific information needs. Now, please take some time to watch the following video, which graphically highlights the flexibility, the capability that this system can offer. It can be customized to your specific needs, but it's a useful insight into how this dashboard can benefit you.
Hi, and welcome to explore this mockup dashboard designed to empower your financial tracking and decision making. In just 2 minutes, we'll review the key features that make this dashboard a great tool for monitoring margins, financials, team, and client performance, providing exceptions reporting on margins for both teams and clients. Let's start with the main page of our dashboard, called Report. Here, you have an intuitive overview with interactive graphs showcasing margins, financials, and a detailed customer table. The power of choice is in your hands, with slices for month, team, and client, enabling dynamic customization. Moving on the next page, called Team, you can dive deeper into team performance. This page provides a comprehensive breakdown of different metrics. The interactive slicers allow you to filter data based on your preferences. And yes, it's not just about a visualization. There is also an export functionality for your convenience. Now, For a detailed look at expenses, turn to the expenses drill down page. Here, you can scrutinize expenses with precision. The drill down feature provides a closer look, helping you identify trends and outliers. The expenses are not going to hide from you anymore. Whether you are tracking financial performance, analyzing team metrics of your company's expenses, we can build a custom dashboard from your data in a matter of few days. You can experience the convenience of dynamic reporting and make data-driven decisions with these meaningful visualizations.
Please take a moment to read this testimonial from a client who has recently been introduced to the dashboard system. I've certainly found it hugely beneficial as a management tool, as a decision-making tool, and it's given them a hell of a lot more transparency as to what's really going on within their business. So hopefully now you've got a pretty good idea of how this dashboard system operates, the flexibility that it offers. It's a fantastic tool that gives managers and owners the capability of really drilling down, if needed, into the detail of what's going on in their business across multiple dimensions. It's fantastic value for money. So if you're interested in this type of tool, it doesn't take very long for it to be set up and operational. Please contact either Tony or myself on the contact details that are showing now. We would love to chat to you and to help you out and to introduce you to this fabulous system.